How's it going, guys? Gang? All right, let's go do some more Earthbound. Oh, that's right. We are doing yeah. This is. I remember this place being annoying. Now I'm not a fool, right? I did get the Hawkeye. Yep, it's right there. Now, if I remember correctly, there's actually a thing over here. Yep, right there. And that's the only one I know where it is. All the others, I don't know where the hell they are. Alright, let's hit this Hawkeye. Whoosh. And then the place is revealed. Neat. Banana. Oh, that's right. We're missing Pooh now. I forgot. I legitimately forgot that was a thing that happened. Right, because he goes off and he figures out PK Starstorm, right? That would be very awesome to have. Come here. Get your ass over here. And beat your ass too. I could have swore there would be like one down here, right? I don't know. I went through this whole place not too long ago doing a randomizer, and I couldn't find more than one truffle. And it was the one that I already knew about. Did that slug just leave a salt packet? Oh, I love the music for this place. This place, it loosely reminds me of like older sci-fi, like Star Trek or like some of those B movies. Yeah, I don't know how to describe it, but it's a very like sci-fi, like old sci-fi score kind of things. Hi? I didn't expect you to be here. I'm kind of about to fight something right now. Okay, Fuzzy Pickles. I'm kind of busy at the moment. Speaking of, let's go kick your ass real quick. Oh, that didn't do shit. Oh, that did a lot more shit. Damn. Ness just hurts. Just wait. Pretty soon, he's gonna hurt a lot more. Oh, we're gonna eat one of those real quick. Yeah, I think it was that IQ was meant to affect your PSI, but I think it's broken. Like, it doesn't function like it's supposed to. And because it doesn't do that, Jeff is the only person in the whole party that can use IQ for anything useful. Which is kind of funny how often that happens. I know in the original Final Fantasy, I think speed is literally not used for anything other than retreating. And it wasn't intended like that, but it's true. Oh, it's a helicopter. It's completely broken. I thought I could fix it, but on re-examination, I noticed that there's no engine. No engine? I wonder what that means. Did Porky take the engine to do his time travel bullshit? Ooh. Ow. Yeah, save everybody's life real quick, Paula. Okay. Well, holy shit, that thing did a lot of damage. What was that, like 300 damage per person? That's crazy. Not a fan. Oh yeah, Paula's like dying. What kind of... Yeah, there we go. Oh, come here. Souvenir coin. Oh, damn. That's a big difference. Hell yeah. Oh, wait, I gotta go to the right. Oh, it's so slow going through the swamp like this. Oh god. Oh, I'm taking damage. At least this is far enough in the game where taking little bits of damage like that is not bad. Also... Oh, rock candy. Okay, hold on. There's a trick I can do here. I think it's if I set it where the thing is below the other thing. Yeah, that flame pendant doesn't... I don't need that. Yeah, there's like a trick you can do with the rock candy where if you set it in the right direction... Oh, is this where... Oh, it is. Hey, let's go fight a boss. But if you set it to where it consumes a condiment, if you do it in the right order in your inventory, it'll stay. So you can just keep using it forever. And I could do that. I'm gonna do it once and see if I can do it right. But, yeah. Oh, I haven't been reading any of this. Fuck. I was distracted talking about bullshit. Okay, so Master Barf. I only vaguely remember how to fight this guy. We're gonna solidify him. We're going to hit him with a fucking bottle rocket. Why not? Solidify? No. Ow. Ow. Nice. Neat. That might actually be useful. Let's hit him with another bottle rocket. There's no reason not to. Ooh, he didn't like that. Oh! Hey, look, it's Pooh! That was easy. PK Starstorm? Fuck yeah. Alright, well that wasn't a problem. Jeff doing like 1,000 damage by himself. Oh yeah, and I got the Casey bat. I'm not gonna use that. There actually is a good place to use the Casey bat. But it's not here, and it's not anytime soon. Neat, not a problem. Awesome, Pooh's leveling up now. With PK Starstorm. Yeah, everything's gonna get awesome real quick. Oh, it's a normal Master Barf. Look at how many people there are. Let's just nuke. So far, Deep Darkness has not been a problem. I'm a little scared of those eels sometimes, and I know there's some exploding trees in here, but I haven't really had a problem with either of those, so we're good to go. Oh, and we're at the end. Perfect. No slugs hanging around? They don't want to fight? Okay, fine. Let's just move on. The Tendas! We're shy. Aw. We're shy. Aw. A death... Why is that? Wait, hold on. Now, I believe we go and we teleport to Onnit after this. Yeah, we're going back home. How's that sound? We're all shy. Rumor, I heard a book to fix shyness there is. Where? Don't know. Just a rumor. Hotel. In the hole, in we have. Free stay? Yes. Free shits. It is just a hole. Who's calling me? Hello, it's been a while since we talked. This is Apple Kid. We're having beautiful weather here. I'm now at Dr. Andonet's lab in Winters. The doctor doesn't seem to be around right now, but I'm just working on my eraser machine. Oh, we gotta do this part? Oh. Hey! Oh no, what are you doing to me? Who are you? Oh, I think he died. Oh, it's Orange Kid. I haven't talked to you in ages. This is Orange Kid. We're finally coming near the end of our research on how to change a boiled egg back into a raw egg. By the way, Apple Kid is missing. Yeah, is he? Is he missing? It seemed like he was missing. He left here saying that he was going to see Dr. Andonuts in Winters, and he never came back. I was hoping to borrow the book Overcoming Shyness from him, but suddenly he disappeared. I haven't read the book, so I'm not very good at talking. Sorry. I'm also working hard on my invention, so I hope you'll understand. Say hello to your friends for me. Click. Yep, now... Ah, I thought that was... No, I guess this is the time for it. I was gonna say, I thought that was later. Ah, there's a salt packet that I'm looking for. Okay. So now that I have a salt packet, where did I put that rock candy? It's right there. I think if I do it like this... And yeah, the rock candy is below the salt packet at the very end. So now we use the rock candy. Well, let's give it to Pooh. Use it on the rock candy, and Pooh ate it. IQ went up by 1, and then we have... Oh. Maybe I did it in the wrong direction. Anyway, Pooh's a little smarter now, so that's cool. That's great for him. And we're going to Winters. Where the fuck am I supposed to be able... Maybe I can do it here. Nope. Can I do it in the water? Oh, I can! Oh, I'm a genius. Perfect. Oh, awesome. And then we go to Winters from here. God damn it. Fine. Oh, why am I in northern... God damn it. Yep, I have some chewing gum. Oh, cool. We can get down there. That's great. That's good to know. Okay, bottom half. And we still have a bunch of walking to do. Oh, great. Oh, they affected that. That's not as crazy flashy as it used to be. Oh, this might be using like the Wii U version of this game. Cause I know they changed those for that version. That makes sense though. Those effects were kind of crazy. Yeah, looks like I already did that bit. So we don't have to fight that boss. I've been procrastinating beating this game. So some of these episodes are a month or so between episodes. That's my fault. Part of it too is I've been a little busy getting other things done that are either currently airing or about to air, depending on how long it takes me to get to this point in editing. Which I've also been lazy with. So, we'll see. We'll see. But that's why half the time I come into this, like, what am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. What happened? Did I do this thing? It's because I am the horrible procrastinator. Alright, we are going to save here, because I know some of the shit that we have to deal with later is hard. And I don't want to walk all the way back through Brick Road and shit. We're gonna order some pizza. Some large pizzas. And 3 minutes of waiting. Awesome. I think 3 should be enough. And then off to Stonehenge we go. I remember this place being a bitch. And I remember the boss being a bitch. Oh yeah, it's like a maze down here. Wait. Did I get this thing? No? Wait, where do I get this thing from? I've been waiting for you. My master, Apple Kid, completed his eraser machine. While he was calling you, he was kidnapped. I was there, but was helpless. Sorry about that. Anyway, take this machine. Boop. Eraser. Who's got it? Paula's got it. Whoosh. Alright, let's go traverse this place, which sucks. I remember getting lost in here all the time. I believe I should take a right. I believe I should take another right? I think you just keep going right. Well, that was our first star, man. Dude died immediately. Now, the real question is if we go for the Sword of Kings here. That could take a long time. I'm pretty sure it's this way. No, it's definitely not this way. Neat. So, a Guts capsule, which I will give to Ness. Ness and Guts is a really good plan. Because he's our main healer. So if he gets hit big time and doesn't die, he can heal everybody. In fact, one of the reasons why the Casey Bat is good, even though you can't hit any goddamn thing with it, is that it puts Ness's Guts to like 255 or something absurd. Which means that he has a much higher chance of living on 1 hit points. Oh yeah. I did not want to guard with Pola. Pola got diamondized. Oh, uh-oh. That's not good. That's really not good. That's fine. I just need Pooh to be alive, so I can get some free healing going. Thank you. Does this work? Yes! And yeah, that works too. Awesome. Healing for everybody. And Pooh replenishes that. Heal yourself. Or not. That's fine. That's fine, that's fine. Those things suck ass. Ooh, shield. Oh, shield Omega. That's very good. That's actually really good for what we're coming up against. I'm pretty sure this is the correct place. This long, long hallway feels right. Where are we going? Oh, is that a lot of enemy? No, okay. No, wait. That's bad. Die, thank you. Ooh. Oh. I think it's up from here. I say moments before I'm proven wrong. Oh, okay, that was the wrong direction. But that's fine. Is this it right here? Oh, it is. Perfect. Awesome. It does get harder from here, though. Oh yeah, there's the Super Starman. So there's a 1% chance whenever I kill a Super Starman for it to drop Pooh's ultimate weapon. And it's really tempting to try to do that, because it makes him do a lot more damage. Oh, fuck me. No, 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 no. We're just gonna not deal with that. Shit, they have psychic power shields. That's not good. That's not good. Die, please. Thank you. I forgot they did that. That's super not good. Yeah, let's hit one of these large pizzas. Fuck, Ness is also homesick now? Shit. Oh, I don't want to backtrack through that cave. I really don't feel like it. I feel like I'm gonna die here anyway, so we might as well just keep going until I do that and then go cure homesickness. I think if I die, I'm probably gonna end it there for the night, because it might take me a while to get through this place. Damn it. Oh, yeah, the homesickness is rough, especially with those replenishing robots. Because it could mean that some enemies are going to stick around for a couple more turns than normal. Oh, now you got a shield too. That's very good. Also, the problem is the second I beat this guy, there's no more Starman here, so I can't get the Sword of Kings anymore. That guy steals things. I don't like that. Let's kill him first. God damn it, dude. You are doing important shit. Stop thinking about home. Oh, Jeff died. Shit. He dead. Well, oh, I got Flash Omega, though. Alright, yeah, I'm just gonna keep going until I die. And then we're gonna call it for the day. Oh, there's two of them here. Yeah, okay, this might be it. Fuck, I can't hit them with anything, because they have... Oh, wait. Oh, I was gonna say, I can't hit them with anything, because I can use Shield Killer. Jeff is dead, so we have to go save Jeff real quick. Shit. And then Jeff just died again. No, let's use max healing. Oh, that's like all of my shit though. Alright, Shield Killer on you. You heal us. Please don't. Don't do that. No, you need to go murder with PK Freeze. Yep, just like that. And then you need a shield killer. Perfect. One of them's dead. Yep, two of them dead. Perfect. And then we just wail on this fucking thing. Kill, 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 kill. That was rough. Two of those fucking things? Oy, yi, yi. I didn't know you could get two of them at the same time. Oh, speed capsule? You know what, Jeff? You're gonna eat that because, I learned recently that bottle rockets work based on speed. The more speed you have, the more damage bottle rockets do. I didn't know that for a long time. So, yeah. I'm gonna give that to Jeff. Okay, you can have that. That's fine. As long as you don't steal one of my large pizzas. I waited 3 minutes for those. Trumpet? What the hell is that? Well, Jeff's got it, so... I guess we'll find out whenever we die. No! You stole one of my pizzas! You dick! Oh, that's shitty. We'll have to get more pizza. Seriously? Oh, I can't even do that. No. Oh. That's super not good. Yeah, okay. I think this is it. It does not help that he's fucking homesick. That is kicking my ass more than anything. It didn't work. Okay, that's it. Yep. Adios. Yeah, that's all sucked. 2 Starmen perfects, or not perfect, Super Starmen are just really hard to deal with. They just started reviving each other and shit. That's awful. Alright. I'm gonna end it there. Tomorrow we get our revenge. Not tomorrow. Probably a month from now, if I'm being lazy again. We get our revenge. Maybe get a Sword of Kings. Maybe get a book. Maybe do some other shit. But that's later. Right now, this video is already an hour and a half plus, so we're just gonna end it there. Adios!